Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, my beloved one. Yeah, good evening, my people. A call came to me, and that call says, Your Royal Majesty, AGUGBAOLA, we want to ask you a question. I say, go ahead. He said, will you support people or advise people to vote for Peter Obi for 2023? And I said, Mban, yeah, what? No, I can never support people to vote for Peter Obi 2023. How can I do a thing like that? I will curse you. I will curse anybody, any citizen of Nigeria, any citizen of IGBO that cast he or her vote in another place that is not in Peter Obi boss. Curse upon you. Curse be to you. No. You want to know if I will support. I will not only support, but I will lay a curse. May the gods of the land where you live or where you come from kill you, damage you, if you see the truth and you don't want people to live this suffering. Enough is enough. People have suffered so much. All these old cargoes, all these old people that does not think any reasonable thing. All they think is to enrich them generation, stock wealth everywhere to empower them people. At least with P2B, there will be so many investment everywhere in Nigeria. There are so many factories everywhere for people to work. Reduce a lot of nonsense. You people will finish drinking a hero as a drink. A man that celebrated a hero, Odimegu Nnamdi Chukwuemeka Ojukwu, that celebrated him. Why won't you vote for him? You will be a coward. You will be the most biggest idiot if you do not vote for P2B. You are the worst fool on earth. You are a scallywag. In fact, you are a most biggest idiot animal. If you see a vote and you do not vote for P2B, that means thunder will fire you. In fact, he can never, ever be well with you when you see a vote and you do not vote for P2B. You don't have sense if you have to do that. Who are you going to vote for? Buhari that have Buhari you and the end of the day want to damage the whole of your generation? Or is he Atiku? Or is he Tunumbu? There is no candidate to vote for. If I come out and hey, you can be making a choice. Should I vote for King AGUGBAOLA or should I vote for P2B? At the end of the day, you vote for me. But I do not come out for now. I came out, I withdraw because of P2B. I want P2B to go. And you do not give me 10 kobo. That is how you know the genuine people.